to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you what's in my fridge or how I organize my fridge. So till then, keep watching and then let's get started. So the first section I'm going to show you is the top one, that is freezer. In this upper shelf I have stored these 2 packets of drinking milk curd from Gordon. And here is the best part of the fridge, that is, it has got this kind of ice cube tray. You can have it anytime you need it easily. And then down here I have got these ice cube trays which are not in use now. Next, this is a cooked or ready-made edible oil. I have stored these 2 bottles. And then behind here is a cold drink, thumbs up. And inside this container I have stored some dried fish and dried meat which has been inside this fridge for more than half a month. So that's how my freezer section looks like. So now coming to the door section. In this first shelf I have this Red Bull which I should not prefer. Breastfeeding moms should not take this. And these are baby foodstuffs, grinded corn called agam. And you know, it helps to increase your baby's weight. I know every baby will love it. And then in this black plastic paper is a sour fruits called tamarind, which you may know, and these are my favorite fruits. I have packed it for a long time in a banana leaf like this. Then coming to this line are some pickles, pizza topping and bread topping from Biwa. Then there's butter, and there are 6 to 7 small juice packets like milk, shake and fruity and all that. So this is all about the freezer section. Now let's take a look on the main section. In this main section I keep all the daily use foodstuffs. In this first shelf here you can see there are lots of biscuits over here, like almost all kinds of biscuits are here. And in the second shelf I have got some bakery products packed in this container like this. And then inside there are some drinks. Next I have in the box is a peel of ginger packed very well with a tissue paper inside so that it remains fresh for a week or 2. Also it saves my time while preparing meal. So this is the second shelf. And then inside this pot I have stored in this small box peel of garlic so that I don't need to remove it again and again. This will remain fresh for at least 2 weeks. And then next here I have some chopped coriander leaf. I have packed it in this like this with a tissue, and this also will remain for a week fresh. And there are some leftover bread for breakfast. So this is the second part of the fridge. And in this section there are more extra biscuits and chocolates. These are dark fantasy choco pills. Now coming to the last section, here I have stored some vegetables. Inside this box I have some lady's finger, freshly packed in a plastic bag. And then I have 3 to 4 capsicums, red and yellow. and big size green chilies. In the next container, I have some broccolis along with some green peas. And if you store like this in a fridge, it will stay fresh longer. And then in this container I have got some more green chilies. You can store it like this so that you can use it for a week, at least 2 weeks. I have wrapped it with a tissue paper so that it remains really fresh. And then inside that container I have got fermented or grinded fish, which is very much famous in Northeast India. If you store it like this in the fridge, you can use it for at least 1 year. It cannot be spoiled. So that's all about the last shelf. Now going down to the last tray inside, I have got some leafy vegetables and then some fresh tomatoes, then watermelon, and then I have kept some water bottles. And here again I have some more extra coriander leaves stored inside this container. It remains fresh for at least a week. You wrap it with a tissue paper and airtight container like this. So that's all about the main compartment of the fridge. So now let's move on to the main door section. Here in this part I have got some pouches of Horlicks and then these are the seeds that are added in some recipes. There are some leftover banana chips and all other stuff. And then I also have some limes or lemon. Then in this shelf are some of the spices like fish masala, and then jeera, and then some other masalas, cumin powder, chili powder, garam masala, and all that. Below this box I have got some snacks, chocolates, and then tomato ketchups and few emos. Then in this second one I have stored some healthy drinks. This is soya milk drink, amul lassi, mixed fruit, milkshake, and then I have got this imported from Spain. This is a stuffed green olives with pimento paste. So that's all about. And then coming in the last part of the door, there are some formulas of babies which are not in use anymore. So that's the end of my fridge tour, or what's in my fridge. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned with Lucky Angel Tips. So till then, take care. Bye bye.